morning. It's a good day to be working. Glad to be on the job. I have a cold today, so you have to ignore some of the sinus stuff. But gotta go to work regardless. So today is crown molding and soffit. I have all of the cabinets over here, upper cabinets, and these cabinets, refrigerator cabinets, finished. All I have left are the sink base and the cabinets around it. There will be no upper cabinets on either side, just open shelves. But I want to go ahead and do the crown molding first, just because it'll be easier to access without the cabinets in the way. So I have just pretty much standard 3.5 inch or so crown molding. But first, I need to put a soffit around these upper cabinets right here. So let me show you how I'm doing that. I looked several ways online, and I kind of found my own way that at least is working for the first one. So I've cut up these triangular shaped pieces that will be a backer. You see the first one that I've nailed in here. It will go like this. The soffit, which is just the same material, 3/4 inch MDF, will just nail to this as my backer for that. In order to get the right depth, the cabinet, these cabinets are only 1/2 inch thick on the sides. The soffit material is 3/4. So in order to get it flush, what I did, I just created me a little template. I cut a piece of the soffit material off, tacked it to this piece of wood, and so I'm using that as a filler. Hold that if I can. And this is how I'm going to get the right depth to attach these triangular pieces, the backer pieces. And I'm using super glue, CA glue, and nails for that. It's regular old super glue. I have some Instaset accelerator. I'm putting the super glue on one material and the accelerator on the other. Bring them together, nail it in, and that should be pretty secure. Once I get all these support pieces, I'll put one at every juncture here, all the way down, and then I'll be able to put my soffit up. Once the soffit's up, then I can do crown molding, and I can finish the kitchen. So here we go. I ended up having to cut a notch because the face frame is actually thicker than my soffit material. So this is gonna let me to push this backer out a little further.